Food writer Harold McGee said it. Meat helped make us who we are. Our brains were growing as we evolved to become Homo sapiens, and meat was a concentrated source of food energy and tissue-building protein. In winter climates where plants were scarce, meat was how our migrating species survived. Meat is a part of our complicated human nature. Killing animals also prevents us from becoming truly humane. As well as our making, Harold McGee tells us that now meat could unmake us. Meat has been abstracted away from the animals that provide it. Few of us have done this, or this recently. Where meat was once bound to the moral act of killing, it is now bound only to the market. The moral complexity of eating the animal has been abstracted away, but that's nothing compared to the complex abstractions of industrial meat production, which means we buy cheap and delicious meat, not the water, deforestation, poorly paid labor, factory-farmed animals, pollution, hormones and antibiotics necessary to produce it. We know that this is unsustainable to supply at scale, a scale that continues to grow. So could we change the supply? That's a driving idea behind in vitro meat, harvesting cells from animals and replicating them in a lab. In this scenario, perhaps we could grow the meat more efficiently and eliminate the local victim of the animal and the global victim of the planet. It could even produce new culinary experiences. But could it save us from the problems of the industrial meat system? In vitro meat is not victimless. The cells still need fetal bovine serum from unborn cows, and water, land, energy, antibiotics, and hormones. If it could be scaled up, in vitro meat may just be another abstraction that hides the same problems, our desire, our habits, and our industry, differently. For the particular problem of the world's growing demand for meat, maybe what we need to focus on is not just redesigning the supply, but also to redesign the demand, to change what we eat and the ways we think about it, redesigning desire, which sees the problem not in meat, but in scale. Solving for scale means changing our expectations, our demands, our desire, our taste, as well as our systems. If meat made us what we are, it's up to us to make what we will be.